Johar Jharkhand, I Nidhi welcome you in your channel IFIS Academy. In this series, we will do MCQ of Jharkhand in English, which will cover the Jharkhand chapter of paper 3 or as per notification of Jharkhand General Graduate Level Combined Competitive Exam 2021. In this series, first of all, we will do Jharkhand's tribe and then Jharkhand culture and tradition, and after that we will do either social system of Jharkhand, social system of tribes, or tribal revolt. Okay, so in this series we will do tribes of Jharkhand. So let's start. So first point is the total number of tribes in Jharkhand is the total number of tribes in Jharkhand is 32. Okay, there is 32 tribes in Jharkhand. Question number 2. The number of major tribes in Jharkhand is there are 24 major tribes in Jharkhand. Question number 3. The total primitive tribe in Jharkhand is there are 8 primitive tribes in Jharkhand. Okay, so let's move to the next question. That is question number 4. What kind of tribes are Birhor, Korwa, Asu, Padhya, Birjia, Saurya, Paharia, Mal, Paharia, and Sabar? These tribes belongs to primitive tribes. Okay, there is 8 tribes in primitive tribes, which are Birhor, Korwa, Asur, Paharia, Birjia, Saurya, Paharia, Mal, Paharia, and Sabar. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Which species group belongs to the most of the tribes of Jharkhand? Which species group belongs to most of the tribes of Jharkhand? So the right answer is proto-asteroids. If we see tribes of Jharkhand, there most of the tribes belongs to proto-asteroid species groups. Okay. Question number 6. What is the tribal population in Jharkhand based on 2021 census? As per 2021, as per 2011 census, what is the population of tribals in Jharkhand? So right answer is 86 lakh. 86 lakh 45,042. Okay, you have to remember 86 lakh 45,000. Next question number 7. Based on 2011 census, what percent of tribes lives in the total population of Jharkhand? So right answer is 26.2%. 26.2% of tribes lives in Jharkhand. Next question number 8. What percent of the total tribal population of Jharkhand reside in the village? So about 91%. About 91% tribal people reside in village. Okay, in rural areas. Next question number 9. What percent of total population of Jharkhand reside in cities? So if there is 91% lives in village, that is rural area, then rest 9% lives in cities, that is urban area. Question number 10. On the basis of language, how many categories of Jharkhand's tribes are divided? On the basis of language. So on the basis of language, tribal people are divided into three categories. Okay. Next question number 11. Which groups belongs to the majority of tribal language? Which group belongs to the majority of tribal language? So The right answer is both of these, Dravidian and Aztec. Okay, if we talk about language, then Dravidian language and Aztec language, peoples of Jharkhand belongs to both of these. And if we talk about species, then most of the tribes belongs to Proto-Asteroid species group. Okay, next question number 12. Kuruk and Maltu are language of which language class? Kuruk and Maltu are language of which language class? So right answer is Dravid. Okay, Kuruk language belongs to Urao tribes, and Martu language belongs to Paharia tribes. Okay, so and both the language belongs to Dravidian language category. Kuruk means Urao tribes came from South India, and if you see South India, then most of the tribes in South India belongs to Dravidian. Okay, the next question is question number 13. What has Hutton sir said to the tribes of Jharkhand? The spelling mistake is there, and this is Hutton. Okay, Hutton. So Hutton sir means ki Hutton is a archaeologist, is a historian. Okay, Hutton was a historian who said the tribes of Jharkhand belongs to which group? Hutton said that tribes of Jharkhand belongs to primitive caste. Okay, option number C. Option number C. Okay, question number 14. Jharkhand has the largest tribal population in terms of percentage. Which district means this? Okay, leave it. It means that which district of Jharkhand has largest tribal population in terms of percentage? The right answer is Ranchi. Okay, in Ranchi there is largest tribal population resides. Next question number 15. Which is the least populous district in terms of percentage of tribal population? So right answer is Koderma. In Koderma there is a least populous district as per tribal population. Next question number 16. What is the system of marriage among? Question number 16. What is the system of marriage among most tribes of Jharkhand? So right answer is marriage with other caste, which means Bahir which means they can't marry in same Gotra. Okay. Next question number 17. Which tribes of the Jharkhand does not have Gotra? Which tribe of Jharkhand does not have Gotra? So Paharia tribes doesn't have any Gotra. Next question number 18. What is the most spoken language in Jharkhand? Most spoken language in Jharkhand? So Santhali language is most spoken language in Jharkhand. Next question number 19. Tribals are notified by the president under which articles of the Indian Constitution? Tribes are notified by the president under which article of the Indian Constitution? So right answer is Article 342. Next question number 20. What is the order of the four major tribes of Jharkhand in terms of population? In terms of population, you have to arrange tribes in descending order. So right answer is option number C, that is there is Santhal tribes, and after that Urao tribes, Munda tribes, and then Ho tribes. Okay, so this session is over. If you like this session, then like, comment and subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.